Any industrial setting can expose workers to hazards. Protect them all from splashing chemicals and other potential risks with the best quality protective workwear from Prudential Overall Supply. Take a look at our complete selection of flame-resistant clothing relied on by a range of industries. These Nomex Work Pants in Classic Navy are flame-resistant to a 5.7 arc rating, with a comfortable lined waistband and button closure, plus plenty of pockets. Our high-visibility safety vest features all-around 2-inch reflective tape over neon yellow for maximum visibility at night. The Unisex ESD Lab Coat is ideal for non-groundable applications in the lab. The snaps at the neck and cuffs provide extra protection. It's conveniently designed with sidekick vents to fit men or women for maximum comfort. Be safe and well-dressed for client meetings or in a potentially hazardous environment in this sleek, cool touch dress uniform shirt with a flame-resistant protection arc rating of 8.4 calories per square centimeter. The XL FR Deluxe Coverall provides head-to-toe protection with an arc rating of 8.6 ATPV calories per square centimeter. The one-piece coverall features a Mandarin safety collar, concealed snap and zipper, and side vents. Soft to the touch but tough and flame-resistant, our 100% FR cotton men's denim jeans feature felled seam construction and 5 handy pockets. This team jacket is 100% flame-resistant. It looks great with your company logo, and the comfortable rib-knit collar, cuff, and waistband work to accent its sporty look. Protect every employee with the arc rating of 52 calories per square centimeter. Our 100% FR Contractor Coverall is flame-resistant and comes in khaki or navy. The specially designed brass breakaway zipper features 2-way concealed Nomex tape and top snap with safety pockets and comfort side vent openings. Prudential Overall Supply specializes in the highest quality textile and uniform rental programs for industry and business. They are known by their 25,000 customers for dedication to the best products at fair prices. Call for more information at 800-767-5536 or visit them online at www.prudentialuniforms.com.